Let's talk about time. Everyone wants your time. It starts from day one: playtime, bath time, potty time, bedtime.
By the time you figure out which way is up, you're here, spending time with these guys.
Time to pay up, shrimp.
Now you're paying these guys to use up more of your time while they try to explain the meaning of time.
Time for your final exam.
Next thing you know, you've sold your time. Time doesn't even belong to you anymore.
Time to get to work.
Finally, the weekend. This isn't work time, this is you time. Time for adventure and fun. Time to enjoy the moment. You don't want to waste precious time scrubbing. Clean smarter, not harder. And get to the good times sooner with Undoes It. Pro-quality, high-performance products that simply work better. Undoes It. Professional solutions. More time for what matters. Lunchtime?